Family-friendly with an after-hours buzz, that's the latest trend in city centre developments. And analysts say one example is Midtown Modern in Bugis. GuocoLand is offering up to 4-bedroom units to try to attract families as well as investors after COVID-19. Cheryl Lin reports.
This part of Bugis doesn't look like much now, but when completed, Guoco Midtown could draw in an extra 10,000 workers, shoppers and residents a day. And here's where it'll house over 500 apartments as part of Midtown Modern, Guoco's second residential project in the district. With more than twice the number of units than its first residential project, and also 1 to 4 bidders, which mean larger units, GuocoLand says this project is taking a different route. They're angling for a range of owner-occupiers, including families, rather than investors.
Traditionally, in the CBD, people tend to think about it as a place where it is for smaller units and investors will buy into it. But when we look at the location, it is at the Bugis MRT interchange station. You have access to many good schools, universities, polytechnics and so on. So from a convenience perspective for families with school-going children or teenagers, it will be very convenient.
Analysts say attracting more owner-occupiers seems to be a strategic move.
Given the current situation, I think the investor actually probably may not be coming in a big way. So I think one way to reach out to potential buyers are actually those who would like to have the city kind of living.
The concept is also in line with a wider push to get more live-in residents in the city centre. Prof Singh says it'll likely see good take-up, but units won't come cheap, likely at about $3,000 per square foot. Besides houses, the project is offering 770,000 square feet of office space, even as office vacancies have been rising amid COVID-19. But GuocoLand's confident there won't be an oversupply.
Collaboration space, corporate culture building, all these are very important to help the company become more competitive. So there will be more spaces dedicated to such functions. And then with the safe distancing awareness, I think individual workspaces may also expand.
Some of this space will also be dedicated to flexible leasing, which Prof Singh says will get a boost from COVID-19.
Rather than lock into certain square feet of office space for a long period of time, they will probably prefer area where they can expand easily and they can also contract their workspace from time to time. The business is not picking up.
Guoco Midtown was to be progressively completed from 2022, but with the pandemic, the developers expecting delays, although it's not certain how long this could be.